Hello everyone! In today's video, let's learn 10 useful English sentences for daily routine. These are easy, practical, and perfect for everyday use. So let's get started.
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a quick shower to freshen up. I get dressed and prepare my bag. I eat a light and healthy breakfast. I leave the house and head to work, school. I focus on my tasks and complete them on time. I take short breaks to stay active and relaxed. After returning home, I rest for a while. I go to bed early to wake up fresh the next day. If you found these sentences helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more useful English sentences every day.